Ever wondered if you could turn your regular photos into stunning Studio Ghibli style art without any design skills, fancy software, or even spending a dime? Imagine uploading any selfie or snapshot, typing a simple prompt that I will provide you, and watching your image transform instantly into pure animated magic. Sounds unreal, right? Stick with me for the next few minutes as I walk you through every step of how to create Ghibli image right inside ChatGPT. And the best part is it's completely free. No fluff, no vague hacks that don't work. I'm showing you the exact way I do it. So you can try it today. I will post the ChatGPT website link in the description and pin comment. So after watching, you will be ready to turn your own any pictures into Ghibli masterpieces. This is Sai, your digital product enthusiast, and welcome to my channel where we unlock real shortcuts for creative minds just like yours. Let's jump in. So this is the prompt. You will get this prompt in the description and comment section. Just paste the prompt here in your ChatGPT and upload your regular photo. I want to convert this photo into Ghibli style. After uploading this photo, just wait, it's processing to upload. And after finishing the upload process, so my image has been uploaded. Now I am processing the prompt. So it is converting my image. It usually take a few minutes of time. So we just need to wait. And boom, just see how the result is. I'm downloading it. So this is my converted Ghibli image and it's fantastic. Now you can upload it in your social media or where you want to use it. So this is the way you can convert any of your regular image, selfie or snapshot to a Ghibli style image using the ChatGPT. And it's not mandatory to use your ChatGPT Plus account. You can use it with your free account as well. So if you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel to get more these types of videos. Thank you so much.